Hello, my name is Manuel.
And I'm Florian. We often get a question, what is the difference between gauge pressure and absolute pressure devices? Gauge pressure is used for measurement of overpressure. Absolute pressure is used to measure vacuum inside of a reactor.
To simulate this, we have a little unit for you here. So we have a vacuum pump and we have a glass dome. And now let's see what will happen if we start the pump to reduce the ambient pressure. The reduction of the ambient pressure we can see with the help of the air balloon, because the air balloon is growing, and also the absolute transmitter we can see it is affected and the value is reduced.
Now have a look at the difference. Here the absolute pressure device and here we have a gauge pressure device. Now we want to swap over to the gauge pressure device. Now we reduce the air pressure inside the glass dome again, and let's see what is the difference. Now we can see the main difference. The gauge pressure device has no effect of the reduced air pressure inside the glass dome because the relative pressure sensor has a vented measuring cell.
Vegapuls Series 80, the perfect solution for gauge pressure and for absolute pressure applications.